Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Shukla, ICT instructor from Cambridge International School, Dasua. How's you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, as we all know about the epidemic COVID-19, so better stay home and stay safe. We are here with the e-learning methods to cover up the topics, and for that, the very first topic for grade 8 in ICT is computer networking. So let's begin with the topic computer networking. Chapter 1, Computer Networking. Well, friends, before we start our topic computer networking, let's talk something about a journal networking. What is networking? Networking can be anything which can be placed or formed in a group, like network of friends, network of schools, network of banks, network of rivers, network of rail lines, road lines, airlines. All these are connected together and all these are formed network. Now, computer network. What is computer network? A computer network is simply consists of two or more computers that are linked together with wires or without wires for the purpose for sharing data, resources and resources like printers, CD-ROMs and to exchange files and other electronic communications. So let's start with advantages of computer networking. That what are the benefits of computer networking? What are the pros of computer networking? Why we prefer networking rather than standalone computers? Okay, let's start with file management. Computer network allows each and every computers to quickly and easily share the files with other computers instead of using a disk or a pen drive. Second is like resource sharing. Resources, as we know, that printers, modems, CD-ROMs, all these are the resources or the peripheral devices attached with the computer. And if one computer can have that printer or any of the resource, then other computers in the network may access to that particular resource. Next is about cost saving on software as well as on hardware. Like if you have 10 computers in your computer lab and you want to install software in each computer, then let's suppose if one software cost around 1000, then the cost of 10 software will be 10,000. So if we are working in a network, then one software in one computer is sufficient because rest of the 9 computers can share the same software with that particular computer. In that manner we can save the cost. Same is with the hardware. Like if one computer having printer, then rest of the computers make use of the same printer. In this way we can save the cost of hardware as well as software. There are some other advantages of computer networking as well, like time saving and convenient. We can store the data at one place and it increase the cost efficiency and it boosts the storage capacity because the data can be shared on multiple computers. Move on to other next topic. The topic is the types of networking. There are number of types of networking available like LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, CAN. So here we discuss in our chapter about the three basic type of networkings. The very first is LAN, which is considered as the smallest area network or the local area network. Second among the types of networking is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan, as we say, that the cities. Next one is the WAN, Wide Area Network. Wide Area Network, where the wide term wide stands for the large and the big or the vast. Now let's try to understand the types of networking in depth. Let's begin with the very first type of network, which is local area network. Now, local area network is a computer network that covers relatively small geographical area, and most lands are confined to a single building. Like that single building can be a school, it can be a hospital, it can be an apartment, it can be a any XYZ single building, and the area and the speed of the LAN varies from 10 to 100 Mbps. Now let's begin with the second type of networking, which is Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN. A MAN is a network which connects an area larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. Mostly MANs are confined to a group of multiple local area networks, whereas in local area network we discuss about one single building or one single school, XYZ building. Here in MAN comprises number of local area networks and number of buildings at the same time. And the best example for MAN is local cable channel, which spread across around the city, around the village, or around the town. Now, the third and the largest or the biggest area of network, which is wide area network, or the WAN. Wide area network, or the WAN, is a computer network that spread over a large geographical areas, and that large geographical areas can be multiple countries, multiple cities, multiple towns, or anything. And in WAN, multiple devices are connected with each other through wires or without wires. And the best possible example of wide area network is internet, because internet is a term which spread across around the globe without any barrier. So that's it for the types of network according to their size and with their examples. Now let's start with the next topic, which is computer network architecture. As you all know that architecture or architect is someone who build or who create designs. Same way in computer architecture is a design in which all the computers in a computer network are organized, and they are organized in such a way that each and every computer will get maximum advantages from their neighbor computers or from their server. And in computer network there are basically two type of architectures which each and every computer network follow. Let's begin with the types of computer network architecture. The very first type of computer network architecture is P2P, which is considered as peer-to-peer architecture. And the second type of computer architecture is client-server architecture. Let's begin with the very first, peer-to-peer architecture. Now, in peer-to-peer architecture, all the computers in a network are connected with each and other computer, but all the computer acts as a node computer, which means there is no central server lying in this type of architecture, because each and every computer have equal power and equal resources, and if other computer want to share some resources from first computer, then they can directly share with each other without any central server. And to understand that peer-to-peer architecture, we can simply take example of a class without teacher. The class where there is no teacher and all the students are sitting together. At that point of time, all the connected nodes or all the students, they have equal powers. There is no senior, no junior, they all are equal. Now move on to other type of architecture, which is client server architecture. And to understand client server architecture, we first need to understand the term server. In client server architecture, there are two types of computers. One act as a server, and server are the powerful computers that are held at a central location within an organization. And what is the duty and what is the role of server computer? Or all the nodes send requests for accessing data and for sharing resources to the server computer. And the duty of server computer is to fulfill all the requests sent by the client or the node's computer. And in client server architecture, unlike peer to peer, there are two computers. One is client and the second is server computer. Clients are also known as the workstation or the nodes, and server is also considered as the parent computer which serve all the connected computers within their network. Next topic among computer networking is WLAN, which stands for Wireless Local Area Network. Students, I guess you remember local area network. What is the area, geographical area? Like local area network is confined into a single building, a school, a hospital, a mall. Wireless local area network is a part of LAN. But unlike local area network, in WLAN, a moving user can connect to the local area network. And the best example for wireless local area network is Wi-Fi, where we need not to stuck with the same position, with the same table, with the same chair. We can get access that connections while move on. So that's the end of our topic, computer networking. Here are a few questions related with the networking. I hope you all must understood the topic and the concept, and I wish that all of you may go through these given questions, and whenever we have our next e-learning concept, then we'll discuss about this topic first in brief, and then we'll start our next topic. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay safe and stay home.